2010 World Cup is upon us, and every weekend, 32 young people are playing in the Soweto Marimba Band.
This is where we perform most of the time, Kadi Sunday.
The band members come from Dobsonville. All of them are in school, and for many, playing the marimba is being their first experience of performing music.
Brilliant.
Performance was great, hey? We really enjoyed ourselves.
I haven't seen such talent.
It was good, and there were songs that we knew and stuff, and you could sing along.
This is an excellent exposure for them, but what we need is for them to go out more in different places, different towns, to have experience in different flea markets all over Johannesburg.
I'm here because of my children, the two you see in front of me. This is Nyeko, it's my firstborn. This is Arabella Ikacheng, my secondborn. So they're actually playing music, marimba, and they've been in a group for some time. So I'm supporting them wherever they go.
Nyeko Chilwane is 16 years old. He's been with the marimba band for 9 years.
Okay. Yeah, we have two different cities. We're featuring Orlando Children's Home Choir and Orphanage down there in Soweto. So let me play one of my favorite songs. I first touched the instrument when I was 8 in primary school. The first time when I touched the instrument felt like I'm in love with this thing. Let me try it out, you know. Let me make it my passion, because many children out here don't know what to do with their lives.
I think Dreamy is very much clear because he has shown how he loves music. So he's quiet and he gets involved into things. But as I mentioned, so we play the role by talking to him and the other channels as a child. But I think somehow Dreamy unfold. The more bending, I think around. He's been recognized by many people as somebody who on the potential as such. Understand? So the other thing, as a Got Talent, he managed to go through two phases successfully. He's an achiever. He's a communicator.
In September, the band got the opportunity to perform in Canada. It will be a trip of a lifetime, but for some, finance and a lack of passports were the obstacle.
Like a singer, I was a city seller, like Negeta or raise the funds and I get a little place marimba. Nope, I can't. Probably had the funds for Canada and accommodated. Emotionally like futhi bahambe kahle ba enjoy like izinto abazozifunda ngale babuye bazosharela nathi since singahambanga because si5 esingahambanga, so at least mezosinika knowledge ne experience abayithole lapha kuzoba enye into, at least so gain something from bona because maybe hambile kanje kufana ukuthi sihambe sonke noma thina singesiboni Canada.
Nico is one of the lucky chosen ones. But before he can depart, he has to hand in the school assignment.
I have different assignments, physical science, maths, English, home language, so I'm gonna take this. This has all of the documents I need.
He's told me about him going to Canada, and when he comes back, I'm going to give him time to catch up with others. But I've already given him some hints as to the areas that he needs to study. I just want to wish him a safe travel, that is to and fro for Canada.
Finally, it's time to depart.
Today is the preparation for Canada tour in detail.
Nico's dad bids farewell to both his children.
Happy, mara at the same time I can feel it go bana ba bang tshwantse ba sa
mara ish pula ke kwatile ka ba salang mara anyway ish
aballa le gona pitso gona ke botlhoko
re tla ba represent.
But then there's so much sadness because it's like first time kids from South Africa. I'm supposed to be happy, but then I am sad.
We will see Nico completing high school in Canada. The Marimba band has opened doors for him.